Strongly bullish PLTR is recovering some of the losses it printed on Friday, the 10th of October 2025. In that session, it printed an intraday low of $17.01. Okay, so we have the extrapolation of its three-period moving average on this 4-hour chart is saying that this trend might remain in place up till midday today. Then after that, the downtrend may continue, and if anything, we may see a bounce from Thursday the 16th. No guarantee that that will be the case. The question is, what will justify this downtrend that is expected to remain in place, even with the modest amount of strength it's currently showing now. What could possibly justify that? But in any case, projections are saying 185.86, 191.62, 195.18. You may have printed an intraday high here, 188.20 printed on the 2nd of October. Okay, so that value falls within the projections I've mentioned now: 185.86, 191.62, 195.18. Okay, so yeah. Let's see. Price pressure momentums on its 10-period moving average. They are all severe. All yeah. All okay. Well, the 10-period moving average is bearish. However, it has a mix of things. It's bearish, severely bearish, as a matter of fact. First derivative is positive but fractional. Second derivative is also bearish, indicating that there is a challenge. There's a real challenge, especially in the very short term over the last couple of hours. Yeah, to if there's a challenge for the possible direction. Yes, indeed, buyers have taken it up by 2%, but sellers are also here, defying and saying all sort of things. It's overvalued. It has been priced in for perfection and all sorts of things. So, however, on its 21 period moving average, the moving average is still trending. The positions opened over 84 hours ago, about 84 hours ago exactly, are still in profit. However, the selling pressure that is going on right now, affecting the 10 period moving average, is equally affecting the 21 period moving average as things stand right now. Yeah. So let's see what's going on with the stock. It's currently trending. This is Friday. So this is Monday, the 13th of October, 2025. Let's see what's going on.
Palantir PLTR has been trending once again as traders and investors gear up for what could be a pivotal earnings season. With the next earnings date on the horizon, market chatter is heating up around a potential rally to new all-time highs. Momentum traders, long-term bulls, and skeptics are all weighing in, making Palantir one of the most discussed AI names on the street this week. Bullish momentum builds ahead of earnings. Many community members see this upcoming earnings report as a major catalyst. Bulls argue that Palantir's consistent commercial growth, expanding government contracts, and leadership in AI integration could fuel another leg higher for the stock. Some traders are even speculating about a stock split, pointing to the company's steep price appreciation over the past year and its growing retail investor base as reasons why management may consider it. Dips continue to be met with aggressive buying from retail and institutional players alike, as Palantir has built a reputation for strong rebounds after sharp sell-offs. Valuation and macro debate. Despite strong sentiment, not everyone is convinced. Bears point to Palantir's rich valuation multiples, which far exceed those of most legacy tech names, warning that expectations may already be priced in. Meanwhile, macroeconomic factors, including renewed trade tensions between the US and China, are adding an extra layer of volatility to the market, raising questions about how global sentiment might influence tech and AI stocks like Palantir. The bigger picture: Palantir's AI play. Beyond the short term price action, Palantir continues to be seen as a core player in the AI boom. Its artificial intelligence platform AIP is gaining traction across government and commercial sectors, and bulls argue that the company's moat lies in its ability to actually integrate AI into real world decision making, not just hype it. What traders are watching next? Earnings guidance and AIP commercial traction, signs of potential stock split or shareholder friendly moves, macro headlines around US China trade and tech sector sentiment, and key technical levels that could trigger a breakout to new highs. Bottom line, Palantir sits at the intersection of AI growth hype, fundamental strength, and macro uncertainty. Bulls are betting on a breakout fueled by strong earnings and sustained momentum, while bears warn that the stock's valuation leaves little room for disappointment. Either way, all eyes are on STP as it approaches a potential make or break earnings moment.
Okay, so this is the obviously pre-market session, not so active at the moment, but regardless, there is a decent amount of participation. It's not that poor. Some some passive traders are here as well, and aggressive ones are equally here as well too. And it seems there are others are going through. You can see this that one seemed to have gone through earlier on, but yeah, it seemed to participation is this is okay. I would say liquidity is not that fantastic. Well, this is just a pre-market session. Okay, so like you heard over there, people are saying that it's overvalued. It has been priced for perfection. Let's have a look at the daily chart to see. It's not okay. I think we don't have that. We have to go back to the 4 hour chart. We want to see the probability of it retesting this high of 20 of what is it called 187.05. What has already done that 188.20. Yeah, it looks, let's see. Okay, we can try 185, 187, 187.05. Okay, just over here, if the probability, if the moving average is greater than your target, then you know that there's a good chance that that probability is up to 50% or more. So let's see what we have. Yeah, the first value is the 10 period moving average. That's the one we are considering. So it's a 184.02, which is less than 187.05. So we surely have the probability that is less than 50% that it will retest 187.05. That could that be the reason why the algos are not projecting anything further to the upside? Who knows? So just have a look right now and see what you make of Palantir stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.